Do you ever wonder what happens when the power goes out? What caused it? And when will it be back on? And why is it taking so long? Outages can happen for a variety of reasons. Weather-related outages are the most obvious, with trees or branches pulling power lines down. But motor vehicle accidents, animal contact, or overgrowth can all interfere with your power, even on a clear day. If bad weather is forecasted, we start preparing right away. If you experience a power outage, it's important that you let us know about it. Customers can notify us by phone or through our website. Liberty personnel is immediately dispatched to assess the damage and determine what resources are needed. At the same time, our system controllers will work to redirect the flow of power to restore as many customers as possible while repairs are being made. You can follow our progress by viewing our online outage map and our social media pages. Some storms can result in downed power lines. Always stay clear. Assume that downed lines are energized, even if it looks like the power is out everywhere. Once downed lines and any other public dangers are contained, we can begin restoring power for priority locations. These include our substations and places like fire and police stations, hospitals, and water treatment plants. Next, crews will fix the damage causing the most widespread outages in order to restore the greatest number of customers at once. After that, they continue into neighborhoods, and finally they address the trouble areas causing outages for single homes and businesses. Anytime there is an outage, we will continue to work until all of our customers have power again. If your power is out and your neighbor's is back on, it's possible your power is coming from a different distribution line, or there could be damage to the service line on your home. If it appears that all of your neighbors have power but you don't, the problem could be with your electrical panel. Check your main breaker. If the power doesn't come back, call us and we'll help you determine the problem and advise if you need to hire an electrician. We work year-round to prevent outages, but they do still happen. And when they do, we are prepared to restore it as quickly and safely as possible. Program our number into your phone so you have it if you need it. We are ready to help 24/7.